প্রতিদিনই বাংলা পড়ে শোনাই আমি আপনাদের। তো আজকে ঠিক করলাম একটি ইংলিশ স্টোরি পড়ব, এবং পড়ার পর যখন আপনাদের সঙ্গে শেয়ার করব, অবশ্যই করে আপনারা কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন যে কেমন হয়েছে, এবং যদি আমার কোনো স্পেলিংয়ে ভুল ত্রুটি থেকে থাকে অবশ্যই কিন্তু আমাকে জানাবেন, আমি সেটা শুধরে নেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। তো আজকে যে স্টোরিটা পড়ে শোনাবো আপনাদের সেটি হলো দ্য আগলি ডাকলিং। চলুন শুরু করা যাক। The Ugly Duckling. It is a beautiful summer day. The sun shines warmly on an old house near a river. Behind the house, a mother duck is sitting on 10 eggs. Thick, one by one, all the eggs break open, all except one. This one is the biggest egg of all. Mother duck sits and sits on the big egg. At last it breaks open. Tick, tick. Out jumps the last baby duck. It looks big and grey. The next day, Mother duck takes all her ducklings to the river. She jumps into the river. All her ducklings jump in. The ugly duckling jumps in too. They all swim and play together. The ugly duckling swims better than all the other ducklings. Quack, quack, come with me to the farmyard, says Mother Duck to her ducklings, and they all follow her there. The farmyard is very noisy. The poor ugly duckling is so unhappy there. The hens pick him, the rooster flies at him, the ducks bite him, and the farmer kicks him. One day the ugly duckling runs away. He comes to a river. He sees many beautiful big birds swimming there. Their feathers are so white, their necks so long, their wings so pretty. The little duckling looks at them. He wants to be with them. He knows they are swans. Oh, how he wants to be beautiful like them. Now it is winter. Everything is white with snow. The river is covered with ice. The ugly duckling is very cold. Spring comes. The sun shines warmly. Everything is fresh and green. One morning, the ugly duckling sees the beautiful swans again. He knows them. He wants so much to swim with them in the river, but he is afraid of them. He wants to die, so he runs into the river. He looks into the water. There in the water, he sees a beautiful swan. It is he. He is no more an ugly duckling. He is a beautiful white swan.